everyone, it's the Metal Chef here, and today I'm going to tell you how we built a bumper-mounted RV articulating grill mount for when we're out hunting and we need to cook. So, first we started off by building this. The base is 5 by 6 1/4, and it is 3/16 thick. Next, we assembled this piece and welded it on. It's 12-inch tall, 1 1/4 square tubing, and that's what's gonna hold this bar. Next, we welded on this rectangular tubing arm. We made sure it was rectangular tubing, so we drop the weight but keep the strength for when the grill arm's on, because we need it strong, we just don't want it heavy. And then we made this strong back here so that this arm doesn't bend when we have the heavy grill arm plate attached to it. And then we put a little customization in it right here. Then we have 2 strong backs down here just to further reinforce this whole piece right here. Now, same rectangular tubing, but this one is 16 inches long. And then we drilled this hole up here for our pivot point up here when we assemble it. Now, as for how it goes together, if we rotate it this way, it's easiest. We slide it in, and then we take our bolt that we use to hold it in place, we drop it through, and screw on the nut. And we use these wrenches, they're 1/2 inch, to make sure that we get it on tight. Spin it together, and they tighten. Now for when we're not using it, we're gonna swivel it in, and see these holes over here? Well, we have a pin for them. We're gonna put it in, and then on the other side, we drag it over, and it's locked in place, and it can't move. Now for the Blackstone plate, we took this big plate of iron and drilled some holes in it, so the feet of our Blackstone can slide in it, so when we're cooking, the Blackstone won't fall off. And then on this piece, it swivels up so it can double as a TV mount if we're in places with high reception. And if you're wondering the dimensions of the plate, it is 12 by 20. It's 12 by 20, and it's 10 gauge thick. This is it, fully assembled in Blackstone mode. But we have a secret feature. If we unscrew this bolt right here, we can flip it up, and now it's in TV mode. So this is for when we're done cooking and we just want to relax outside of the RV. These flaps up here are so when it's in Blackstone mode, we can pin it in Blackstone mode. This square hole right here is so that this bolt head would not press on the plate, because when we were making it, we realized the bolt head was pressing on the plate and making it uneven. When we have it in Blackstone mode, there's 2 different ways we can cook. Like this, where we cook behind the camper, or when we rotate it out, we can cook beside the camper. The best thing about this is there's an in-between ground too. So we can go right here if there's trees both ways. I forgot to mention, but the end of this pipe right here is where the edge of the camper is, which is why this is beside the camper. Hope that clarifies any confusion. Now we did drill specific holes in our base plate for these square U-bolts. Because our camper has a 4-inch square bumper, these U-bolts are gonna be what we use to hold it onto the bumper of our camper. Can't wait to show you all the finished product.